Hello student, the topic is factorize quadratic equation with formula. So first of all you need to know what is a quadratic equation, and secondly what is a formula and how to factorize that formula. So I write down a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus. Why plus minus? Because that's a squared. We will get two solutions. Square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And this part is a discriminant. This discriminant is, if discriminant is equal to 0, then you will get easily value. If the discriminant is positive value, just like you write down, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. If this is equal to 0, then you have a solution. For b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then you have a two solutions. If discriminant is less than 0, then you have a no solution. Why not? Because if less than 0 means a negative value. If we have a negative value function, anything other than negative, so what does it mean? We cannot get a square root of a negative value because this function is imaginary. Imaginary function, so we cannot get any solution of that value. So if this value discriminant is if discriminant is 0, then we can have one solution. If discriminant is more than 0, then we can have a two solution. If the discriminant is less than 0, then we have a no solution. So this is the formula. We have to remember whatever else come with x squared is called a, is a coefficient. We have to put value a here, there. B coefficient of x here and here. C is a coefficient, is a constant value that will multiply with that value. So now we are going to our question. So let's see. X squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. This is our question. First of all, you have to compare that equation with that equation. When you compare it with this equation, so then you will get what value is multiplying with x is 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7 and the c is equal to 10. Now we need to put these value in this formula. When you putting these value into formula, so let's see. Minus b is 7 plus minus 7 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 10 over 2a is 1. So now we need to solve that value. 7 as it is plus minus sign. 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 10 is 40 over 2. So that becomes minus 7 plus minus 49 take away 40, we will get 9 over 2. Right? So we can write down in here. Yeah, the next part we can write on here. So minus 7 plus minus 9 square root is 3 over 2. So you can see we have a 1 positive and 1 negative, because I said that 3 could be a positive or could be negative. So that we will have a 2 solution. X, if x is equal to minus 7, if I taking positive value, positive 3 over 2, this is one. Second, if x minus 7 as it is, we are taking negative 3, right? Now minus 7, these are both opposite values, signs, positive, negative. We need to subtract. 7 taken by 3 is 4 over 2, but 7 has a negative sign, we can put negative sign. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2, so x is equal to minus 2. This is one solution. Secondly, we have both negative. When the both have the same sign, then the value will be added. 7 add 3 becomes 10, but sign remains same. 10 divided by 2 give you minus 5. So this is a second value. So how we are using that function with the formula? So we will go to another example. So let's see. You have to remember the quadratic formula, because that will help you out in an exam paper. If you remember that formula, then there is no problem. You can put values in this formula to find out the equation solutions, two solutions. If I write down like a bit a harder one, so let's see. The equation is 2x squared minus 3x, 2x squared minus 3x and minus 5. So compare with that in here. When you're comparing with this quadratic equation, so a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 when you're comparing that one. So that will give you values: a equal to b equal minus 3 and c equal minus 5. So we have to stick these values into the formula. We write down the formula. What was the formula? Minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2 of a. So we have to stick these values into the formula. So let's see. That becomes minus bracket minus 3 plus minus 3 squared minus 4, a value is 2, c is minus 5 over 2, a is 2. So minus minus give you positive value, plus minus 3 squared, they give you positive 9, minus give you positive again. 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 5 is 40 over 4. So we will get 3 plus this, and 40 and 9 give you 49. Right? So we have to work out the values. So 3 plus minus 49 square root is 7. One is a positive, one is a negative, same as it is like previous one. 3 add 7 over 4 and 3 minus 7 over 4. Positive value we are adding, that becomes 5 over 2 x. This is 1. In a fraction form, if you need to divide, you can divide 2.5, they will come. This will becomes minus 4 over 4, which is minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. These are the two solutions of finding with the formula. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.